Hey guys, today we're playing Mario Kart. So, Christian, I will show your face. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's pick our character. We can do this girl. Yeah. Okay, it's easier to record when you're playing the Nintendo while having it like this in a hoodie. Wow, guys, we're gonna be playing some Mario Kart. So, let's get started. Alright, we started the race. We got rid of this lucky block. Please be booster. Yeah. Oh, in 19th place, we need a good lucky block. That's what we need. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I just went there today.
We gotta steal hers. Come on, guys! No. Don't skip that. Okay, you skipped that. I'm 20th place. Give me a rocket boost, please. 24th is the lap. We gotta win, guys. Yeah, I took over 4th. Someboom. Alright, you only ready to do Mark. Someboom. Waka. Someboom. We're 4th, guys. Yeah, well, we only were gonna play one round, so see ya.